Hey everyone, welcome to another episode in the Gym Beginner series. Today we're talking about rest days, sleep, and recovery. When you work out, you stress your muscles and break them down. It's the first step towards making them stronger. The next step is the rebuilding process. And this is where your muscles actually do become stronger, and it's through rest. Rest days are planned breaks from intense physical activity, allowing your body to recover, repair, and recharge. Without rest days, you run the risk of not giving your body enough time to repair, which can lead to overtraining, fatigue, and injury. Also, rest day or not, sleep is the ultimate recovery tool. During deep sleep, your body releases hormones that repair muscles and replenish your energy stores. So don't skimp out on sleep, and make sure to include rest days in your workout schedule. Now, how often should you take rest days? It depends on your routine and intensity, but a general rule is 1 to 2 rest days a week. And you should also aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep a night. You also need to listen to your body. Oftentimes after a workout, you'll experience muscle soreness, which is your body telling you that it needs to rest, recover, and recharge. But if not intense exercise, what can you do on a rest day? On rest days, you don't have to do absolutely nothing. You can perform active recovery, which includes low-intensity activities that will keep your blood flowing while still allowing your body and muscles to repair. Active recovery activities can include light walking, yoga, or stretching. To wrap it all up, rest days are non-negotiable, especially if you want long-term success on your fitness journey. So let your muscles recover, get plenty of sleep, and get mentally or physically prepared for your next workout. Rest days need to be included in every workout schedule, and in the next episode, we're gonna build just that. Thanks for watching.